What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson we're learning Kata Jiin. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Jiin! Jion! Kata Jiin, take your bow. Your position is the same thing as jion, okay? Right hand fist, left hand on top, thumb in the center, okay? Feet closed. First move, kosa uke. Stepping back with your left leg, left hand is out. Second move, manji uke, kokotsudachi to our left. Then shift manji uke, kokotsudachi to your right. From this position, wind up, age uke, oizuki. Age uke, and oizuki. From here, we go geran barai to the middle. So from the middle, we do 3 shuto uchi, okay? Knife hand strikes to the center in kibadachi. So ich, ni, and then on the last one, ikiai, right here. Now from this position, I'm gonna move my left leg to my rear corner, and then kakiwake uke, double wedge block, in zen kutsudachi. From here, maege ikeage, oizuki, yakuzuki, and kosa uke. Cross block. Now from this position, kakiwake uke to the corner, other side, and repeat. Maege, oizuki, yakuzuki, kosa uke. Now spinning, tetsui, okay, sideways, hammer fist, and kibadachi. And then I'm gonna spin towards my rear. Same thing. This time, we do not spin towards our rear, we go to the front and strike. From this position, we go tate shuto, vertical knife hand, pull our hips into hamni position, double punch, maege, yakuzuki. After right hand yakuzuki, kosa uke. From here, another kosa uke, land in kibadachi, downward block. You wind up, tension, and then double punch, kiai, and yame. I bow. Right, Kata Jiin, step by step. Take your bow. And that's the Kata Jiin. Yoi. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, rok, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Ayame. Ayun out.